It's a bit too watery to my liking, but believe it or not, this is instant Dinengdeng Rabong with Saluyot. There's no excuse from recreating this heritage dish wherever you are in the world and whatever season of the year you're in. Let's bring it to the garden and share it with Manang Grace as I'll show you how I made it at home. You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. As you might have expected, we'll be using canned bamboo shoots and frozen saluyot or shoot or Egyptian spinach, molochia. I ran out of bagoong from Pangasinan, that's why I'm using anchovy fillet instead. It's widely available. Plus, I'm adding Thai fish sauce. And what vegetables to Ilocano style without this sagpao swine boiling fried tilapia here. Just to flavor the soup or the sauce of our stew. And we remove it to avoid overcooking it. Don't worry, we'll debone it later. Since I don't have bagoong, I'm using this anchovy fillet, widely available, and some patis or fish sauce. I guarantee the taste exactly the same as the original bagoong. Let's drain the water of the canned bamboo shoot and just add it to the boiling water. And once it boils, add immediately the frozen saluyot or Egyptian spinach. Cover it, and as it boils, let's debone the fish. Look, the frozen block begins to disintegrate. Let's help it a bit. Now, it really looks like a dinengdeng now. Let's add this coconut milk, canned coconut milk. I should have removed the extra water from the can. Now it's watery. If you want your dinengdeng to be watery, it's no problem. If you love heritage dishes, you might love heritage sites as well. Then, I suggest visiting My Barrio My Mundo, a channel for places, events, and cultures like this. UNESCO heritage sites like this. And back to our cuisine. It's now cooked, so we can re-add the fish, the sagpao, the bone. It's still not creamy enough to my liking. Let's add more coconut milk. Frozen also. Just add it and allow it to melt in the pot. Finally, let's re-add that fish, entire fish, for the look of a legacy Dinengdeng Rabong with Saluyot. How about that? See? Anytime or anywhere you can make it. Let's taste it. Oh, heavenly. And even my man and Grace love it. The entire team at the shed. Even the locals love it. I'm sure you will love it too. Make it at home. Instant dinengdeng saluyot with rabong with coconut milk.
Lewat mana? Sa kamata.
You heard it, nagimas, heerlijk, as they say it here in the Netherlands. See you again on the next videos.